I just got back from our trip to Japan and you can hear it in my voice. I am still recovering from that trip. I actually got a little bit sick on the way home and I feel like my body just hit pure exhaustion from all the stuff that we were doing, all the travel, all the jet lag. And so if it sounds like my voice is a little bit more raspy, that is why. But today we are doing a Mejuri haul. This video is sponsored by Mejuri. They just launched their new summer collection and I feel like their summer collection is always so fun. They always incorporate more organic shapes, a lot of pearls, and so we're gonna do a haul of some of their summer pieces. I'll have all of the pieces that I show you guys linked in the description box along with the pieces that I'm wearing. We're gonna go through my current stack. I'm like loving this ring stack. So we're gonna start with the unboxing. We have 3 dust bags to go through. I always like to do one unboxing so you guys can see how it's packaged if it's your first time ordering. So this is what the dust bag looks like. Every order will come with a dust bag, and inside of our dust bag we have a box. You can actually opt out of the box if you don't want that packaging, but this is what the box looks like. It's got the embossed logo, Mejuri on the top, has this magnetic closure, and I mention this all the time, but truly these are so nice for traveling with jewelry. Keeping a few dust bags stacked in these and then just tossing this bag in your carry-on or your purse, it's just a really great way to travel. So I actually really like the box. Inside of our box here we've got some dust bags. This is what the dust bag looks like. It's got the logo, and inside of our dust bag here we've got a pair of earrings. These are the loose knot earrings and these are 18 karat gold and pearl. They are a piece of artwork, so stunning. If you love a pearl earring, these are the most beautiful statement earrings, and I wanted to show you guys the side like profile of them because this is just such a cool design. It looks like this is almost just looped into this hoop here, but it actually has a ring on the inside that holds it in place. So I just think the design of this is so stunning and so unique. I love the way that they look even with additional earrings in a stack. They are thin enough at the top where you can wear an earring in your second piercing, which I really like still being able to do that. You definitely get that beautiful bold statement with just the shape of this. I love anything that is kind of asymmetrical, organic, has a lot of like flow to it, feels a little bit off balanced in a way, but in a really balanced way. So I really love these. I think they are stunning if you are going to a really nice event or a wedding. I just think these are gorgeous. I also just love the way that they look framing my face. So they are a longer earring, so they definitely still stand out if you wear your hair down. Also, if I had my hair up off my neck, I think they're just really a flattering earring. They kind of are longer in the front, towards the front of the face, so they just follow your jawline really nicely. Also, I wouldn't say they're like the lightest earring in the sense that it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything, but they are not heavy, which is a huge plus for bigger earrings like this. And I could definitely wear these all day without feeling like I need to take them out. Also, for my earring stack, I've got in these bezel huggies, this bezel stud. I've been really loving the bezel setting lately. And then I had in the textured medium hoops, which are currently sold out, but I'm hoping Mejuri brings these back because I love these and I wanted to get them in the large size, but I couldn't grab them before they sold out. So I'm like fingers crossed that they re-release them, but that is my current earring stack as well. Next up in our other dust bag, we've got another pair of earrings, and these ones are a little bit more dainty. These are the slim dome figure hoops in 14 karat gold. I am so excited that they launched these in 14 karat gold. I have their regular dome figure hoops in vermeil, and I was really hoping that they'd come out with the 14 karat gold version. So these are them. They are a more slim profile. They are a lot lighter as well, and they're 14 karat gold. These are the vermeil version, so they're a lot chunkier. They're definitely more bold. If you love a good bold earring, these are so gorgeous. I will note they are quite a bit heavier than the 14 karat gold, so these are super lightweight. I can already tell they're gonna be the type of earring that you put in and you don't even feel like you're wearing an earring, but a very different look. So if you want something that's a little bit more chunky, more bold, these are definitely the move. But if you like something that's a little bit more subtle, lightweight, kind of out of the way, these are really gorgeous and they have that really nice subtle organic shape to them. I absolutely love these, you guys. guys what a gorgeous, unique, everyday earring. I could see myself seriously just throwing these on the daily. They are so out of the way, but they're still really interesting. Not your basic hoop. They're also, I feel like, small enough to where you could wear them in your second piercing if you wanted to wear a bold earring on your main piercing. They really could work as a second as well, but I think they are just like the perfect everyday earring. I love how they look from the front of the face as well. They just have that really interesting curve to them, and I just love the fact that they are in 14 karat gold. I'm obviously biased to 14 karat gold. You guys know that. I think the durability of a 14 karat gold piece is just unmatched. And then I went ahead and I put in the vermeil version so you can see the size difference of the two. So the vermeil, 14 karat gold. And then actually just to show you guys on one ear, the size difference, and just these as a second piercing. I think they totally work in a second if you're wearing them with something really bold and chunky in your main piercing. So that's another way that you could style them. And then also that is the size and kind of width comparison. The other piece that was in the box is this beautiful new charm. This is the Isabel Baroque charm, and it actually comes in 3 different versions: 18 karat gold vermeil, sterling silver, and then a pearl version. I ended up getting the 18 karat gold vermeil because I just thought it was so unique. I got some other pearl pieces that I'm gonna show you, but this is so stunning. It has gemstones that are set all the way around the charm. Really quick, before I pop on that new pendant, I wanted to show you guys my necklace stack. I've got on the Organic Dome liquid letter pendant necklace. This is in vermeil, and I absolutely love this necklace. It has a little white sapphire set into the letter, which is really cool. And then I've got on my base chain. This is in the 16 inch. I wear this all the time, 14 karat gold. And then this is the diamond half tennis necklace, and I never take this one off either. So these two I always take off because this one is vermeil. I do take this one off when I shower and work out. So this is the charm on my Rolo chain. I believe this is the 18 inch 14 karat gold. Like I said, I'll have all of the exact pieces linked down below with the links that I have in each one of them. But I absolutely love this shape. I feel like this would be really beautiful on a bracelet as well. It's like small enough to where you could throw it on a bracelet or put it on a necklace. You could also layer it on one of these chain charm necklaces with other charms and like kind of stack them. It's just a really fun piece. Again, I feel like Mejuri always comes out with really, really fun pieces around the summertime, and I think all the different colored gemstones just make this feel very vibrant, and I can't wait to stack this with other pieces. I can't believe that was just our first box. There was honestly a lot in that first one. Next box here, we've got some rings. First up is this dome figure twin ring, and if you guys have watched any of my Mejuri videos in the past, this is a no-brainer why I chose this one to share with you guys. Is this not the most stunning ring? It is 14 karat gold, lab-grown diamonds, has this beautiful pear-shaped stone in the center, and then this really subtle diamond on the side, and you guys know I love a good dome figure piece, and this is like the perfect addition to my collection. For my current ring stack, I have been really loving layering smaller, more dainty pieces recently. Instead of wearing like a chunky ring and then another kind of like bolder ring, or wearing these like kind of by themselves, I've been really stacking up my thin rings. So first off though, I've got on this Organic Dome crown nesting ring. This is a vermeil piece. It has this white sapphire in it. Such a fun piece, very bold. And then on this finger, I've got on this really beautiful 14 karat gold pearl and diamond stacker ring, this emerald bezel ring, this pearl stacking ring. Again, I just love pearls for the summer, and I think stacking pearls with diamonds and with emeralds is a really fun way to kind of make an interesting stack. And then this is the Organic Dome thin marquee nesting ring, and this one is 14 karat gold and diamond. And then on my left hand, I actually just have this slim dome figure ring, which is their 14 karat gold version. Okay, obsessed, you guys. Is this not the most stunning ring you've ever seen? What's really fun about these dome figure rings is that you can actually wear them kind of 2 different ways. You can wear the diamond closer to your hand like this with the smaller diamond on the inside, or you can obviously flip it over, wear the diamond facing out, and then have the smaller diamond on the outside of your hand, obviously depending on what finger you wear it on. But I love this. I'm a sucker for a diamond piece, you guys know that, but this is truly so unique. Next up is the dome figure balance ring, and this actually comes with 2 different stone choices for the 18 karat gold vermeil. So I got the emerald one, but it also does have a white sapphire option, and it does come in sterling silver with the white sapphire. But I think emerald is so pretty. I've collected a few emerald pieces in the past, and I really like adding them to stacks because I feel like it just adds some interest to what I'm wearing. So I'm really excited to add this ring to my collection. I probably wouldn't wear these stacked, but I wanted to show you them side by side because this is the vermeil one and this is the 14 karat gold one. This has a little bit of a more saturated gold color to it, but they're very similar design, similar shape, width, and I just love the way that this pear stone is offset to the ring. Again, you can wear the stone closer to your hand or facing away. But again, I just love the dome figure line. There hasn't been a dome figure piece that I haven't loved, and I feel like you can't go wrong with any other pieces. But if you're looking for something that feels really unique, I think this is a really great option. On to our next dust bag. I genuinely can't believe we're only on the second dust bag because I feel like we have gone through so many pieces. In our next box here, we've actually got another gorgeous pendant. This is the Isabel Baroque pearl charm, and you guys, I cannot even explain to you how happy I am that they released this pendant. It is so large, and the reason that I am so excited for this to come out is because I have had a larger pearl charm that I wear on my chain charm necklace. It's like one of the 3 charms that I have on, and I get questions about that specific charm all the time, and it no longer exists on the Mejuri site, so I have been patiently waiting for them to replace it or restock it, and this is just the most stunning piece ever. And just to show you guys the size, this is the pearl charm that I got, I don't know, like 4 years ago at this point. It has been a while that I've had this one, and I get questions about it all the time, and this is the new pearl charm, and I am actually obsessed. I cannot get over the size and just how beautiful it is. Definitely one of those pieces you could wear by itself on a chain charm necklace, or you could layer it. It is so pretty though. I am actually so obsessed. I think I like it more than my old one. How gorgeous is that? I love these like bigger statement pieces for the summer because I feel like my outfits are always a little bit more simple, not as many layers. Obviously, I usually just wear like a tank top and jean shorts. I'm a very simple dresser when it comes to the summer, and having these bolder layered pieces like this, I feel like just make an outfit look so much better. And so this is stunning. I love the way that it looks by itself, but I'm gonna throw on a couple other charms to see how it layers up. I went ahead and I added a couple little charms to it, and I love the way that it looks layered with other pieces. So I've got on this 14 karat gold shell charm, which obviously just plays into the pearl for summer, and then my W diamond letter pendant. And then I ended up adding another charm. So I never really do more than 3 charms on the chain charm necklace, but I just thought it would be fun to kind of throw this one on. So this is the stack. I think it's super fun. It's unique. Obviously you customize it the way you want. Having the pearl as like the main charm and then these other smaller ones on the side, I think it just makes it a really fun stack. I also kind of feel like my daughter is gonna love this necklace. She loves necklaces already, anything with like a little charm or pendant on it, but I think she's gonna really love playing with this one. On to our next box here, we've got a couple of dust bags. Inside of our first dust bag here, we've got a bracelet. This is the micro pearl bracelet, and this will probably look familiar to you. It is one of their best-selling styles. They've had this actually for years. It's 14 karat gold, the clasp is, and then it's these tiny pearls, which is just so delicate. I actually love this and the necklace for stacking. I think it's the perfect addition for the summer. Again, I love pearls year round, but I think especially in the summer, it just feels very fitting. This is the bracelet. I ended up getting it in the extra small. I found that that is the size that has worked for me consistently. So this is in the extra small, and I love the way that it just works with any stack because they are these micro pearls. It's just a really subtle and casual way to add pearls to your stack. I don't really know which bracelet to sacrifice because I feel like 5 is a little much, but this is the micro pearl bracelet. Then I've got on the large square oval chain bracelet. This is the cobra bracelet. This is the slim cuff, I believe. And then this lab grown bezel bracelet. And our other dust bag here, we've got, it looks like the matching necklace. This is the micro pearl necklace, the same design as the bracelet, same clasp, 14 karat gold, these beautiful micro pearls. And this one I got in the 15.5 inch, so it's a much shorter necklace. It does come in a 17.5 length, but I like the shorter necklaces like this to kind of wear higher up on my stack typically. So this is the necklace, and I ended up taking off my base chain because it's a pretty similar length to that necklace. But again, if you're looking to add some pearls to your stack, you want them to be very casual and not too bold, I think this is a really, really beautiful option. And again, because it's 14 karat gold, you can shower in it, you can wear it all the time, and just a really great lightweight layering piece. On to our last dust bag. I feel like this has been quite the haul. In this box here, we've got 2 dust bags. First up are the Sloan pearl earrings. These are so pretty. These are gold vermeil, pearl, and just the most beautiful shape. They're almost like kind of a stud feeling, but they have this kind of like U-hoop clasp. So really, really pretty though. These are the earrings, and I feel like you could wear them either way with the gold on this side or hugging this side, but they're such a good shape. You can still wear them with something in your second piercing. They're bold enough, but they're still very classy, and I really like how they almost just kind of look like a pearl stud. They're super unique design. One thing I will note is that this hinge is actually a little bit different than I thought. So you open it like this, but you have to actually commit and like really open the hinge all the way, because if you open it halfway, it will keep springing back, if that makes sense. So you open up all the way like that, and then it springs closed. And this is how it looks with the gold on the other side. So a little bit difficult to wear a second piercing if you wear the gold bar on this side, but if you wear it on this side, you're good to go with a second piercing. And our other dust bag, I think we've got another pair of earrings. These are the Gloria Pave Diamond C hoops. Kind of similar, that like C shape, and it has this U shape to it as well. But these are 14 karat gold and Pave diamond. These are the earrings, and I feel like, again, you could wear these either way, where it faces this way or the other way. They are super lightweight, very much out of the way, a really fun shape. Also, I feel like maybe you could wear it on your second piercing as well. So definitely a very lightweight kind of everyday option, and they really kind of hug the earlobe nicely. And then on to our final box here. These are the Remy Gemstone Pearl Charm Hoops, and they actually come in like separate pieces. So this is a charm that is removable, so you can wear them like this, or you can add the charm and wear them with the charm. These are 18 karat gold vermeil with white sapphire. Such a stunning earring, very similar, again, shape, this like really nice C curve, and then they have the same kind of U hinge on the back. But I love the fact that you can wear these 2 different ways. This is what the earring looks like in with the pearl charm attached. I think this is such a beautiful, unique earring, especially with the charm. It's just something I haven't seen before, and I love the white sapphire as well. It works really well with diamond pieces too. And then this is what the earring looks like without the charm, much more simple, but you still have the nice bezel white sapphire in the earring. Those are all of the pieces from this video. Like I said, I'll have everything linked down below that I talked about and showed you guys. This was just a small fraction of the summer collection, and if you can believe it, I feel like we had so many pieces to go through, but the summer collection is so big and there's so many great pieces, so definitely check out the site if you are interested in any of these. Don't forget to subscribe. Would love to have you back on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye guys.